Sorry about that, guys. Mrs. Ford back here, continuing our pollination lecture. We left off, we just finished talking about the two different experiments that Mendel had done. His first experiment, where he cross-pollinated a purple flower with a white flower, and the result was all purple offspring. Then he took one of the purple offspring, self-pollinated it, and he saw that we were left with 3 purple flowers and 1 white flower in that second generation. So, what did these results mean, or kind of what came about? Okay. He called the trait that was always present the dominant trait. So if you look at both experiment 1 and experiment 2, the color purple never left. Right? In every generation, there was at least one flower that was purple, and actually multiple flowers that were purple because it was the dominant trait. However, we did have the white colored flower disappear in that first generation, and then it would reappear in that second. Okay, so he called this the recessive trait. Okay, so in that first generation, the dominant trait took over and dominated the offspring. All of the first generation flowers were purple. And then that recessive trait would reappear in that second generation, again at a ratio of 3 to 1, 3 purple flowers to 1 white recessive flower. Okay, at this point in time, you are going to be working on some reading from the textbook. You're going to read the section Mendel and His Peas, so just 56 through 61 from the textbook, and you're going to be completing the reading guide while you're working on that. Thank you guys for taking the time to listen through all 3 of these parts. I did not anticipate it being this long and drawn out. I do apologize, but I do hope that you have all the information you need to really understand pollination and to know the difference between self and cross-pollination. Hopefully we added some nice vocab words into that glossary. And again, you are left with a resource that you can revisit whenever you need. All right, friends, thank you so much, and we will see you next time.